This song I wrote after the birth of my son, Caleb. He was born on Christmas Eve. And I tried to write a song about that moment when time stands still and that child just comes into life. And I was so blessed. I delivered our last 5 children myself at home, including this dude here. And I realized I had no words for that. But I did have some words about something maybe that inspired. And this song came out of it. The human touch is sometimes enough to wipe the tears from the eyes when a baby cries. The human touch the human touch from the cradle to the grave. It welcomes you in, it comforts you when you're on your way. And sometimes you'll find just a hand on the shoulders, and if you feel bolder, then open your arms. And sometimes you'll find you may discover a sister, a lover, a brother, a friend. The human touch, like a May breeze in the winter. It will make you surrender, break your chains and run free. The human touch, ooh, shivers down your spine. Fingers gently touching your lips. Ooh, yours touching mine. And sometimes you'll find just a hand on the shoulders, you feel bolder, open your arms. And sometimes you'll find you may discover a sister, a lover, a brother, a friend. The human like the tears from the eyes when a baby cries.